It's going to be located in Charlotte, North Carolina. My phone number, of course, I'm the CEO and owner. My slogan will be "Join the Don's Experience." My table of contents didn't print right, but that's the second one. So I'll start with my executive summary, and I'm going to read out just because I have a big personality. I'm very shy, and I get really nervous and start talking real fast. So if I do and you don't understand, just tell me to slow down. So my executive summary will be founded in 2021. The Don Studio will be a chemically free natural hair care based salon suite ran by myself, aka the Don. I will focus on locks and protective styles to help promote healthy hair, creating a safe haven for men and women to come for a place of peace and an experience they'll never forget. My vision and mission. The reason I started this journey is because I used to be someone who lacked confidence and was insecure about my personal appearance. And once I realized that being dolled up made me feel like a dime, I wanted to project that onto people with the mission of lifting everyone's spirits that step foot in my salon suite. All in all, I see a bigger future for myself, which is why I made this a studios instead of casing this as just a salon. I do workout classes, I love fashion, love photography, so this is just the beginning.
Yeah. When you start your fitness program, will it be like a membership or?
So I actually did 3 workout classes last year. I did 2 sport classes and 1 regular class.
I want to do that.
So fun.
I want to.
So I kind of hustled backwards. Did so much last year, so I started my LLC April of last year, started accepting clients. Started my workout studio in April 2. And then like my workout classes in April 2. Then I started photography in like May. I was doing too much.
Yeah.
So I kind of had like dumb it down this year, go to school, get licensed. Now once I do that, I'm gonna find me a new studio, and
It's so funny you say that because I was just talking about this yesterday, and a lot of times people think that when you multitask, you get the most done.
It's really
but
not.
You really can't multitask. You need to
do
one thing at a time.
I'm not gonna hold you. I did make the most money last year, but I didn't thrive off of that. Like,
yeah.
At the end of the year, I was like, dang, but I'm still not licensed. Yeah. And so I took a step back this year and lost money, but it was for me, Kiki. Oh my God.
Look who joined us.
Kiki love me.
Look who joined us.
Man, that was so cute, Kiki. That was so sweet.
Is that Kimani?
But no, what you asking me?
I was just talking about multitasking.
Yeah,
you have to focus on one thing at a time.
But I'm gonna come back to it. If y'all all have Instagram, y'all should follow my business page. That way, when I do start it up, come out, pop out. Y'all like the dance, y'all like the vibe. The Don Studio, THEDONS.
I'll be there because I love dancing.
And you love reggae, like that. You would have been there whining. Girl, I had this older woman, and when I tell you she hit a split on me. I can't even do that.
Oh no, I can't.
Yeah.
My aunt is 70. She can hit splits.
Yeah, and she held it too. I'm like, look it up.
It's definitely dangerous. My children hate it.
Time has come.
Now it's time to say goodbye.
Oh, did you want them to say theirs first, or you want to do yours first?
All my friends.
Okay. I'm always first. I know that's right.
I want to say that again. You have been a pleasure to have your consistency with staying on target, with being a team player, keeping a positive attitude. I can't find a day that you came in and did not have the same attitude that you have today. So I'm sure you're going to display that same positive spirit in your business venture. We will always have our home here. You know, we're here to support whatever it is that you need. I want to say that you're going to be missed. This is not going to be goodbye. You'll be back soon. I want to say congratulations.
Thank you.
Clap, clap, clap.
Thank you.
Everyone can say something.
You get a picture? Or is it hold on, Mr. Reed.
Okay, ready?
Hold on.
1,
Swing the hair.
3. I love you, girl.
I love you, Julie.
I know where you to go. Thank you for being part of the Do Vision. We appreciate you. We love you. And like Mr. Reese already said, like the door is open to you whatever time you want to come. We are here. You know, sometimes Saturday is busy. Like,
I'm trying to get me back here on a Saturday. I'm hungry, right?
And I want someone like powerful like me to be here and Mr. Reese back. Like, Like, I know like our friendship will not just stop like today. We're gonna be fine. Like I already told you, like
you are my hair sisters. We are hair sisters.
Yeah,
We are
yeah.
sisters.
Like, if you God permit, like that's
Your energy, I really did, like, grasp to you more than a lot of other people that I usually grasp to. And I really do. I'm really grateful for meeting you. Like, I don't say that about a lot of people, but I'm actually grateful for meeting you. I feel like we are gonna have, like, a friendship outside of like the school and everything. But yeah, you're a real genuine person. Anytime you ever help me, like, you was really helping me, like, to help me. No, for real. She's saying what she got to say too. You was really helping me to help me, so like I really appreciate you, and I am gonna miss you when you're going. I know, like, outside of school, like, everything is gonna be so great for you. Like, you really got a lot coming towards you.
I love my Kiki.
Come to the back of the building so we can do your kit checks, college students.
You about to do it now?
Mm-hmm.
It's our last day. What kitchen?
Come on, ladies. Let's get your kit checks done. You finna what?
I'm
This going on the school YouTube channel. I said UBTube. I was gonna say UB shop. Come in the middle, ladies. Come in the middle. She want everybody in the middle. Come in the middle so it can be easier. Bring your kits in the middle. Yeah.
You know what, everybody, I forgot. Miss Tiffany, you forgot to remind me what we're supposed to do with the kit.
Let me see that kit. Let me see that kit, that bag. Let me see the logo. The logo. Oh, Babyliss.
yes,
Ooh, nice.
Other kids, can y'all go on the opposite side of the station?
Old students on the backside.
Oh, Brianna, now she kicked you out.
The older students go over there.
She's got the post go to the right.
Let's see your kit, Julie. Julie, let everybody see your kit.
Look at my cake. Let me look at my cake. Look at my cake. It's not normal.
And these are the new ones. Yeah.
Got what I was supposed to bring. I set up mine.
All right.
We got a hoop.
Okay, ladies. It's okay. It is okay.
You need to come here and what? The kitchen.
We're doing the kit checks. So set up your station for your kit checks. You can't find where, Brianna?
At least I got low on mine. I should get a symbol.
Right. You want the logo? You want the logo on your roller? Your roller bag? Wait.
Brianna, she making you move your stuff?
Oh, just for your kids. No.
That's right.
Not barbaric. That's a strong word, Nyasha. You've been raising Cain, huh?
Raising Dawn.
They are the first class. What are they, Mr. Reese?
You are the very first class to have our brand new design kits. Look at this nice notebook.
Yeah. Yes.
They might be complaining, but they ain't have to pay that much.
Y'all also pay a lot. So now also the first class to have your own personal.
Oh.
So put your theory work in, your review question work, all that, okay? And we're going to start from the top. First, pull out your mannequin heads. Y'all have 2 mannequin heads. You're going to take those off. So on your kit, there's other 4 items.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
But I kind of just winged it.
Okay. All right. So tell us about it. What's going on here?
So,
What is
infection
it?
control.
Mm-hmm.
What is infection control, ladies? Infection control is one of the most important aspects of being a natural stylist. Proper infection control minimizes the risk of spreading infections or other health hazards.
Mm-hmm.
You can exhibit proper infection control by using hand hygiene and effective cleaning practices within the work environment. If you ever are uncertain of proper infection control, you can always refer to your state and federal regulations issued by OSHA. Components of
One of them is like, are y'all okay? Her mom. She come in there. Yeah, her mom.